Hello, 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 all your base Chris here with another Mr. video. Today I'd like to talk about the MegaAGS disk image for the Amiga. Basically, I just want to tell you how amazing this thing is and you need to check it out if you haven't already. So, we'll fire up our Amiga. I like this image so much, it is actually my auto boot image now when I fire up the Amiga. Boom. So when you fire it up, it drops you into this nice menu here with categorized stuff. Top picks by genre, themed lists, multiplayer games, decennial spotlight, all games by year, demo scene. So before I dive into that though, I'll just show you how it's like a framework built on top of Workbench. If you hit escape in this menu, it actually drops you into the Amiga Workbench. And there's also some apps and stuff here as well, which you can play with: Deluxe Paint 4, Cinema 4D, that sort of thing, which is, you know, just a nice little bonus, as it were. So using a joystick, you can just go up and down the list. So let's go to all games and let's fire something up. Let's do something I don't always fire up on the channel, 4D sports driving. So yet again, I've had to put my Mister into compatibility mode for the display, so my video capture gets it. In real life, I don't run it this way. I run it in low lag mode. But my capture card just doesn't like the Mister's output yet. Here we go. Oh yeah. I do actually drive in real life, believe it or not. And if you hit delete, it drops you out of the game and takes you straight back to this menu. Lovely. So that was 4D sports driving. I'm feeling lucky, and it'll just randomly pick a game to play. Fate, Gates of Dawn. No idea, but let's check it out.
Fate, Gates of Dawn.
Oh, Eye of the Beholder. Let's just hit new game. Click mouse to start the game. Done. I've never seen this game before in my life, so I've got to say I'm intrigued. Run through the woods. Who's that? Hello. Encounter. You face one nomad. Shall we talk it out? Let's talk it out. Just kidding. Fight! Attack! Yeah! Okay, hit delete to get back out. While we're looking at that, actually, let's pick something similar. There are some very cool Amiga games out there. This is one I liked. Hired Guns. So this uses the high-res mode for the Amiga. Start a new game. all the robots and the Space Marine variant. Here we are, hired guns. Yes. Hit delete to return back to workbench. Right. Let's try a demo. Demo scene, all-time favourites. Let's see. Here's Master's Noise.
Let's go.
More high res. So my mouse pointer's bouncing around. I'm trying to select something and it's bouncing off the side of the screen. You know, just to be mean, I think. And again, hit delete, straight back in. And enough of that. Probably got a copyright strike already. Never mind. So how does it stand up as a workbench replacement? It has all of the bits you might need. Directory Opus, the shell, apps, access to the shared directory. Yeah, it's running, I think it's 3.14. Workbench version 40.42. Yeah, it does everything you want it to do. There is a new version of this image due out any day soon. That's why I've brought this video out, to sort of hype you up a bit, because I can't tell you where to get this from, because obviously it does have a lot of copyrighted material on, therefore I shouldn't have it, and neither should you. Wink. It has the complete Amiga, complete to a degree, Amiga collection of games on it, has thousands of demos. It has quite a lot of music as well. All of like the mod file collection. So it's a really nice overall image for the Amiga. So on this channel, you see I've done quite a lot of videos about replacement Amiga operating systems such as PyMega, Coffin OS. This is the one I recommend, simply because it's the easiest one to get to grips with. You don't have to worry about folders or anything. It boots into this menu here. It's joystick controlled. All of the apps and the games are really well behaved. They all respond to hitting delete to get out of there. And if you just want to pick up an Amiga and enjoy some Amiga games, this is the image. This also works on a real Amiga as well, believe it or not. So definitely worth checking out. And emulated Amiga, you can run this on WinUAE. You can run it on your phone if you've got an Amiga emulator on your phone. It just works because it's based on standard Amiga stuff. Definitely worth checking out. MegaAGS. I couldn't tell you where to get it from. Not even somewhere like archive.org would be a silly place to look for this, if you follow me. So in the meantime, I'm going to say toodle pip. Thanks for watching as always, and be good, take care, etc., etc.